This is the assembly video for the desktop display rack. Step 1. Open the package and organize the parts according to their numbers.
This is an M5 hex wrench.
Take out an LS05. Loosen the accessory screws. Take out one piece each of number 1 and number 2 rods. Slide LS5 onto rod number 2.
Position it roughly at this spot.
Repeat the same steps again. Compare with the position and angle of the first installation. After installing, the two corners should look like this. Then use LS12 to connect the two corners with part number 4. Please pay attention to the orientation of the LS12 parts. Take out number 4 and pass it through the two LS1 pieces separately. Center it properly, then tighten the screws. After installation, it should look like this. Take out the LSL1 accessory, open it into two pieces, and assemble it at position number 2. No need to tighten, just position it correctly. Take out number 3. Pass it through with the end that has the white plug facing down. Place it in the centered position and tighten the screws. Repeat the same operation on the other side. Make sure the height is consistent. Take out LS12, pay attention to the orientation of the part. Use number 5 to pass through the LSR12 part. The back end extends about 12 cm. Tighten the screws and do the same on the other side. Extend it to match the dimension on the right side. This is how it looks after installation. Next, install support rod number 2. Insert both ends into LS5 in the same orientation. Install it in this position. Make sure the top and bottom parts are secured before tightening the screws. Do the same on the left side and tighten once it's aligned with the right side. Finally, install the two LS52. After installation, check that all screws are tightened. The embroidery hoop setup should look like the picture.